Hello, welcome to Critic USA, introducing the ultimate fusion of design, power, and rugged elegance. This futuristic black off-roader SUV redefines what it means to be ready for adventure. Built on a heavily modified platform, the vehicle showcases an aggressive stance, a commanding presence, and a design philosophy that balances modern luxury with hardcore off-road functionality. From the first glance, the SUV's bold front fascia grabs your attention. The wide body kit gives it an aggressive and muscular appearance, while the custom matte black paintwork adds an air of stealth and dominance. The redesigned front bumper features integrated LED light bars, perfect for night trails or illuminating rough terrain. The sharp LED headlights and signature DRL's daytime running lights give it a futuristic glare, making it look like a beast ready to conquer any path ahead. Moving to the sides, you'll notice oversized off-road tires with deep treads that provide unmatched traction. These are paired with custom black alloy wheels designed to handle both intense impact and rugged trails. The SUV sits higher than standard models, thanks to its lifted suspension and high ground clearance. This setup not only enhances its off-road capability but also adds to the intimidating look. The flared fenders and rugged cladding around the wheel arches add a layer of durability and character. The tinted windows give the SUV a sleek, streamlined appearance while maintaining privacy and a premium feel. Blacked-out accents continue across the vehicle, including the side mirrors, roof rails, and even the subtle detailing along the doors and handles. Every design element has been fine-tuned for a blend of style and performance. From the rear, the vehicle maintains its aggressive aesthetic. A custom rear bumper, a roof-mounted spoiler, and sleek LED taillights round off the design. The rear-mounted spare tire and rugged bumper design further emphasize the SUV's off-road identity, while still keeping it stylish enough for any urban setting. Under the hood, while specifics depend on the build, such a machine would likely be powered by a turbocharged V8 or hybrid powertrain, offering both torque and speed. The suspension system is optimized for extreme travel and articulation, ensuring the vehicle can tackle everything from sand dunes to rocky trails without breaking a sweat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's built for adventurers, creators, and enthusiasts who demand performance, power, and unmatched presence wherever they go. Whether you're heading deep into the wilderness or pulling up to an elite event, this off-roader will turn heads and dominate roads. If you're passionate about powerful machines, custom builds, and futuristic design, this ride is a perfect example of what's possible with vision and engineering. Make sure to like the video, drop a comment about your favorite feature, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel Critic USA for more epic builds, reviews, and futuristic vehicle content.